So in question number 10 now, the first one is from shares and dividend. So let us solve this. Vipul invests 3,750 in a company paying 10% dividend. When its rupees 10 rupees shares can bought for 12.50. Okay, this is the nominal value. Nominal value is 10 rupees and market value is 12.50. So investment is 3,750 and dividend is 10%. Okay, this is the given data. Using this data, we should find out number of shares, annual income from all these shares, and rate of interest also. So let's take the given data and find out one by one. First, if you take the given data clearly, then you'll understand what you should do. Total investment is given. Okay. So total investment, that is equals to rupees 3,750. And as per the question, nominal value on one share is rupees 10 and market value on share is rupees 12.5. That is 125 by 10, or you can write 25 by 2 in terms of fractions. And first question is again dividend also is given. Dividend is 10%. Yes, this is the given data. First one is number of shares. So we should know the formulas. So if you want to find out the number of shares, number of shares is equals to total investment by market value. Okay, the total investment by market value on one share. The total investment is 3750 by market value on one share is 25 by 2. 25 by 2. This you can simplify. You'll get number of shares. Okay, that is 3750 into 2 by 25. 150 so then you get 300 into 2. Yes, so 300 is the number of shares. Now second one, observe, is annual income from these shares. Annual income. We need to find out the income on one share first. To find out the income on one share, we need to find out the dividend. Dividend is 10%. So then income from one share is, first let us find out the income from one share. From that you can find out all the income. Then income from one share, that is dividend is 10%. So 10% on nominal value. So nominal value is rupees 10. So dividend percent on nominal value is the one income from one share. 10% of 10. So 10% of 10 is 10 by 100 into 10. That is equals to 1. So rupees 1. So 1 rupee is the income from one share. We have total 300 shares. Then annual income is, income from one share is rupees 1 into number of shares is 300. So that is rupees 300 is the annual income, right? And next one is the rate of interest. So if you want to find out the rate of interest, so rate of interest is, so profit on one share by market value into 100. So profit on one share is 1 by market value is 25 by 2 into 100. This is the rate of interest. So income from one share by market value into 100. This is a 2 by 25 into 100. So 25 ones are 25 fours are 4 twos are 8. So 8% is the rate of interest, right? So this is the given. So this is a solution from the given data. And see the next question. Geometry. Perpendiculars AL, BM are drawn from the vertices AB of a triangle ABC to meet BC, AC at L, M. Okay, let me draw the diagram and understand clearly. Here perpendiculars AL and BM. First we take the triangle ABC. Okay, this 10th one. Take the triangle and we'll construct the perpendicular lines. in this ABC. So ABC are the vertices of triangle. Now observe the question. AL, BM are drawn from the vertices A and B to meet BC and AC at L and M. Okay. Based on that, from A we can draw the perpendicular line to the BC, meet at L. Okay, we change the color. This is from A to one perpendicular line, and from B also one perpendicular line. Yes. This perpendicular line is meet at L on BC. This is a perpendicular line. This is at M. Now from this data we need to prove CM into CA is equals to CL into CB. To prove this, we need to prove this both triangles are congruent first. So first you take the given. So given data is AL is perpendicular to BC, and similarly BM is perpendicular to AC. These two are given. And what we need to prove? To prove C to M distance into CA is equals to CL into CB. So this is what we need to prove. So let's take the proof. So from triangle ALC and triangle BMC, if you observe, ALC is this side and BMC. Let us prove these two triangles are similar first. To prove this both, so this is 90 degrees and this is also 90 degrees. Then angle ALC is equals to angle BMC. So angle N and angle M, the right angles. Both are 90 degrees. So right angles are equal. Yes. And the one more angle C is the common. So this is common for both triangles. That is ACL. Angle ACL is equals to BCM. So angle C is the common in both. So two angles whenever same, then according to the AA axiom, therefore triangle ALC similar to triangle BMC. So this is by AA axiom. Okay, we can use this both. Now whenever the two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are in same ratio, right? So from ALC, so hypotenuse is CA, and from BMC hypotenuse is BC. So I am taking corresponding sides in same ratio. Therefore CA by BC is equals to, and other sides CL by CM. This both CL by CM. So CL is this one and CM is this one. So just one more side. Corresponding sides are in same ratio. Just by using this we can find out the required to prove. That is, do cross multiplication. CM into CA is equals to CL into CB. Yes, this is only what we need to prove. Hence prove. Right. It's simple. Just only prove the triangles are similar and use the corresponding sides are in same ratio property to prove the required thing. And so the next one, using a ruler construct triangle ABC, BC 6.4, CA 5.8, angle ABC 60 degrees, and draw in circle and measure and record the radius of the incircle. So from the same channel you can find out the constructional videos. Just type in circle, so you can get this problems, you can solve that. So I'm not going to tell you here. From the same channel you can go through it. Just roughly I will show here. First is triangle construction, so ABC. So with the full constructional videos are there from the same channel, you can go through it. So if you want to see the roughly, I show not exactly measurement. So we need to construct ABC first. Let us take BC, base 6.4 centimeters. you can take BC 6.4 centimeters and angle ABC 60 degrees. Angle ABC should take one more line, that should be 60 degrees. That means you need to draw the arc. From here, draw an arc. From the same point, you can draw arc and extend these lines. So this is a rough diagram I am showing. You can find out the videos of the same channel. And you can cut this CAB and CA 5.8. From CA, you can draw an arc. That is 5.8 centimeters. 5.8 centimeters, and this angle is 60 degrees. Right. And for this you need to construct the incircle. If you want to construct incircle, we need to angle bisecting. Two angles you should bisect. So if you angle bisect of two sides, angle B you bisect and angle C also you need to bisect. So bisect the angles. That means you get the two arcs. Take an arc and cut this both. And where they join, from that you can draw perpendicular line. Just to draw the perpendicular line to the base, that should be perpendicular to the base. Take some L, and from this is the incenter I, and IN as the radius, you can draw the circle. So from this both, if you draw the circle, you should draw the incircle. Just by touching this, all will get automatically should touch these 3 points. Okay, you should draw the circle. This is the incircle, and measure and record the radius of the incircle. Then radius you can measure by using the scale, and approximately in this problem you will get radius of the incircle. Radius of incircle is 1.75 centimeters. Right? You can see the steps of construction also in the videos. Okay, the complete construction videos are available in the same channel. You can go through it. Just I explain on the board there, so you can see. This is only rough model. Use the steps of construction also. You can find out there. Right, this is the 10th one. Now let us see question number 11 and we'll solve these problems.